In this lecture, we'll learn about the alert component. Alerts provide contextual feedback messages for typical user actions. First, we'll take a look at a basic alert. We'll take a div element and give it the class alert plus one of the alert variations, alert success. We'll also add the role attribute with the value alert for accessibility. Inside the div, we'll write some text for the alert. We'll put the title in a strong tag, but this is not required. We'll now create the other 4 examples. Example number 2 will be an info alert with the class alert info. Example number 3 will be a warning alert with the class alert warning. And example number 4 will be a danger alert with the class alert danger. Let's have a look. We get some nice alert boxes with different text and background colors. We can also add a matching link to each alert box. To demonstrate this, we start by duplicating the code block. Then we'll turn a part of the alert text into a link and give it the class alert link. We'll do the same for the other 3 examples. Let's have a look. We can now see that the links have been emphasized with a darker color. We can also create alerts with additional content. Once again, we will duplicate our code block. We'll then turn our alert titles in the strong tags into heading elements. We do that by adding an h4 heading element and give it the class alert heading. We'll also add one more paragraph after the alert link. We'll repeat this process for the remaining 3 examples as well. Let's have a look. We can see that the alert headings now got a bigger font size. The last thing we will look at is how to create a dismissable alert, and we'll do this from scratch. We start with the same div element from before with the class alert plus the contextual color class alert success. We also add the role attribute with the value alert. Now we need to add some additional classes. Alert dismissable, fade, and show. The last 2 classes are used to add an animation effect. To dismiss this alert, we need a button. So we will create a special close button using the button element with the type button the class close, the data dismiss attribute with the value alert, and the area label attribute with the value close. Inside the button we create our icon. To do this we use a span element with an area hidden attribute with the value true. We then create the times symbol with the HTML entity &times. Finally, we'll just add a title and write some text for the alert like before. Let's see how it looks. We can see the text like before and the close icon in the right side. When we click the close button, we can see that the alert fades away. We have now learned how to add alerts for typical user actions. Go on and continue with the coding exercises, which will help you learn the correct structure for this component. In the next lecture, we'll learn how to create and use the batch component.